The old oak tree stood alone on the hill, silently watching the world go by as seasons changed. For Emma, it was her escape, a place of solitude and respite from the noisy and business of everyday life. She made her way up the familiar path, anticipating the quiet peace that awaited her under its shady branches. March 26 is Solitude Day, a day to appreciate being alone and disconnecting from the stimulation and chatter around us. While solitude may be an underrated concept in today's modern world, it has a long history of being seen as a path to greater self-awareness and inner tranquility. Many influential thinkers, from Galileo to Thoreau, were proponents of solitude and credited it for strengthening their creativity and insight. In today's fast-paced, hyper-connected world, solitude can be a radical act of self-care. Most people spend very little time alone with their thoughts. Constant social interactions, streams of information, and a barrage of entertainment options leave little room for solitude. Yet, it is only when we disconnect from distractions and remove ourselves from social interactions that we can tap into our deepest thoughts and reflections. Meditation, prayer, mindfulness practices, and time in nature are all ways to experience the benefits of solitude. On Solitude Day, consider embracing solitude as a way to recharge and gain a fresh perspective. You might start your day a little earlier and go for a walk alone. Turn off your phone and other electronics to unwind in the evening with a book or journaling your thoughts. Cook a meal without background noise or do some gardening in peace. The options for solitude are endless. Solitude has been cultivated and cherished throughout history as a means of gaining wisdom, clarity, and inner strength. Yet in today's world, it is an underrated resource that we must actively work to establish in our lives. Give yourself the gift of solitude on March 26, and you may just find a new sense of grounding and insight that has been eluding you. Make solitude a habit, not just once a year, but whenever you need to reconnect with yourself. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Solitude Day. Cheers!